Okay, so today we are going to go for a pour, probably just a straight pour. I've prepped my canvas just with a white base. I'm actually pouring over a painting that I wasn't too happy with. So I got some nice purple. See, I go a bit thicker with my paints than I guess most. I like it so when you pour it off the stick, it mounds up just a little bit. It's just my personal preference. It works for me. A lot of people always say my paints are too thick, but it works for me. So when I mix my paints, I put the paint in the cup first, and I put a bit of Floetrol in, give it a mix, and keep adding until I get the mix kind of just starts to flow. The Floetrol in the paint just starts to flow off the stick. And then I add a bit of water to thin it out. But I don't really have a formula. I was trying that, but I use different brand paints and everything's different. So I kind of eyeball it and go with the way it's flowing. So yeah, and maybe I'll do a video where I'm mixing up my paints for you guys, just so you can see how I do it. Okay, so we're gonna go with some titanium white at the bottom. I'm gonna pour off to the side so it kind of layers. I'm gonna try to get in a funnel today before the kids get home. Thank you guys for all the nice comments that I got on my first talking video yesterday. It's nice to see. Nice to read and see where you guys are from. Okay. Now I have no silicone or coconut hair serum in my paints today. So we'll see what happens, and I'm gonna do. Let that run through a little, and a bit of Mars Black. I'm just gonna kind of try and pour like a little ring around. We'll see. Okay, let's get this out of the way. Looks like I got something going on right there, and I'm not happy with that. Okay, making sure my camera's still going. Yep. Okay, so cheers. Let's see what happens. I'm just going to go back and forth a little. I'll go straight. When it starts to lighten up a bit, I'll go back and forth. Oh, something weird going on with my light. It's I wouldn't even be able to tell you what brand it is. Now the fun part, trying to get it so the cup away without the drip. Okay, we did it. All right. Let's see. So we're gonna go for it. Let's let it sit for a second. Well, everything's popping, and I'm not gonna torch right now. I'm just gonna torch at the end. I don't really, you know, I don't have a plan. Nobody ever does, I don't think, with pouring. I just start moving it, and then when I see something that I like, I try and keep it. When I see something that I don't like, I get rid of it, or I try to. Yeah. Let's see. I'm wondering what is up with my white. I'm just gonna slow down some off the edge. Okay, so we're gonna go this corner. I know I should really have gloves. I haven't gotten any gloves. I need to get some. Slow, 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 slow. I like this bit, but it'll probably be gone by the end. So I have to say that I definitely miss my Hobby Lobby and Michaels because we don't have them over here, and it's paints and canvas over here are just insanely pricey. You don't get the good deals. So when I go home, I usually, you know, bring an empty suitcase and stock up. There's no better feeling than walking into a Hobby Lobby when they have a sale on, and there's usually always sales, so. Okay, you guys are gonna kill me. It stopped recording. I'm just gonna keep going with it though, because I like this one, and so I just, you know, I stretched over the edge until I was happy. I'm gonna stick the torch on now. I don't even know what I was talking about, Hobby Lobby or something. Anyway, what I was also going to say is, well, what I did say is if anybody wants to see me do something I haven't done before, comment and let me know if you have a color palette that you want me to use, or just any kind of ideas, anything you want to see me do that I haven't done or that I've already done and you want me to do again. Let me know, because I'm trying to get outside the box and not be so repetitive in my videos. So I'm trying to try new things. Pop them air bubbles. I'm saying as well that I can't find any acrylic pouring artists in Ireland, and I'm dying to do a collab with somebody, so I don't know if that's gonna happen, but maybe I can find somebody online and do some sort of collab, an online one or something, if that's even a thing. And yeah, so what do you guys think? It's different. I kind of like it. Different for me anyway. I think I'm gonna do a funnel pour with these. Yep, with this palette. All right, I'll bring you in for a close-up, and then I will let you guys go. I was also saying one day I would definitely like to get over and pour with Christina Welsh, because she's always saying, anybody wants to come pour. So I think that would be the ultimate. We'll see. If you haven't checked her, I'm sure you have. She does some pretty fabulous pours. Her and Alan, I think is her husband's name. So check them out. I'll pop a link in my description. I like this little red pine tree looking thing. All right, let me know what you guys think.